everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my camper. Today I have the Qiaya, and this is a ring light. So we're gonna check this thing out and see how it is. It was pretty inexpensive, but good. It looks like on Amazon, had some good reviews. So let's check this out and see how it is. It's supposed to come with a tripod as well, so we'll see how that goes. So there we go. This is what it looks like. Comes with a little manual there. And here we go. And so this is what it is. So it's actually a different shaped ring light. I haven't seen one this shape before. But then it comes with this. And it's got the little screw mount there. And then I guess this is going to be the pivot ball for it. So this will be interesting. So we can check this all out. And then in here, we have the tripod. And it comes with a remote, which is nice. I like these little remotes. Let's see how this thing goes. So this is gonna screw into the, into this. So this will screw into the ball. And this will screw into the light. Kind of cool. So here, so it's sitting up this way. And then we have the legs that go inside of there. So it'll have the 3 legs there. I'm not gonna set it all up right here, right now, just because there's not a lot of space. But let's see how it plugs in here. So it comes with a little adapter here. And let's undo the wire. I'll show you guys how it looks when it's on. I can plug it in over here in my camper. So here's the wire for it. And there it is. And so this is the light, and then we have the buttons on here, you see. So I can push this one here, and there it's on. And then that's the dimness and brightness. And there's the color changing. So here I'm gonna give you guys a little look for it. So here I'm gonna put it right there. And so now you can see what I look like with the ring light on. So it definitely lights me up better. Try the different colors here. So there's a different color, and the brightness. It's pretty sweet. This is really nice, actually. So it sets it up there, and really cool. And it comes with a phone mount and everything. So it's got a little phone mount. I'll show you right here. So this here, we'll just clip it around. Oops. I'll drop it. Clips around the phone, which I can't show you how it's in use because I'm using my phone to film this. But it seems like it's got everything, and then that goes in there. It's got that. Let's see what else we got here. And then we have another ball. So this is how it's going to mount onto the upright for the phone mount. And that's really it. So this is really sweet. So this is an awesome ring light. Lights up really good, and you can run it off a USB, which is nice. So you could be out somewhere and still be looking your best. So here it would actually go upright like this. Where's my light? There. So through there. So pretty sweet. I like this light. Really cool. Different shape than usual, which is good. It puts out a lot more light, I think, than some of those round ones. So there we go. So thumbs up from me, and I'll pick one of these up. I'm going to put this in the link in the description, and this is what the box looks like, and it's the Qiaya is the brand of this one. And so the link's going to be in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and pick one of these up for yourself. It's really cool. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, so there's something I forgot to say about that light. So I know it's a little bit after, and I don't have the light with me right now, but one thing it does have is that pole, that long pole, it extends, so it actually can go higher and shorter, so it's totally awesome for traveling. It totally comes apart easy. The little prongs on the bottom go in and out easy. It's a great light. It's super awesome, and I'm sorry I totally missed it, and I don't have the light with me because I'm out of town now. But I did want to say that before I go and edit this video, because I've been playing with that light a lot, and that's totally going to be my new light for all the time. But I did want to say, so if you needed anything that goes taller or shorter, so you can put it on the floor and it'll go tall, or you can put it on a desk and it'll go even taller. So that's one thing for it. So it comes with actually 2 different extenders, so you can put it right directly on top of the tripod so it'll stay low with one of the ones that you screw into it, or you could screw in the one that extends, and then you can make it tall. So definitely want to say that, and remember, links in the description, and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and that's all, folks. Bye.